Warm welcome. Thank you so much. Over to you.
Thank you. Hey, good morning, everyone. Yeah, I'm so happy that today I have this chance to introduce Synergy to you. So Synergy is a young, local, Singapore-grown deep tech startup. So what we believe is that the era for e-mobility just began. And Synergy was spin off from NTU as 2018 by a bunch of friends. We are all from NTU, and by the time we believe that we can accelerate the journey of electrification. So in NTU, I met my partner, Steph Dong. He spent probably about 10 years in Europe, and he's a semiconductor expert. And within the management team, we also have Winston Cole, and then he's standing over there. He's our angel investor, and later we put him. We put him down the water, and now he's full-time with us as a chief strategy officer. So in Singapore, we have a lot of partners. Infineon definitely is one very important partner, and we are the first cohort of this co-innovation program. So we do have get a lot of support from them. So in terms of geographical footprints, now our headquarters is in Singapore, and so we have a regional office in China, and as well as Boston and Europe. So what we do is that when we talk about charging technologies for e-mobility, right? So there are basically two categories. So one is that manual charging. So it means that I think this is the most conventional way, and everyone understands. So imagine that you have an EV, right? So every time you want to charge your EV, you need to pull the wire and then plug into your car and top up the energy. So battery swap is also one of the methods, but we do believe wireless charger will be the future. So this will bring great convenience for the user. Just imagine that you can park your car and then you can walk away. You don't have to plug anything, right? So when we are talking about auto docking, just imagine that your car already can park by yourself and can autonomous drive. I don't believe anyone still want to put a cable and charge your car. So for the robots, actually, now we have already launched our Beyond series for the robotics markets. So for this is our product, which is what you guys see here is a receiver. So for our Beyond product is a universal charging. So for this module, it can support 24 volt, 48 volt, and up to 80 volts. So it also has a very small footprint. It allows this module to be able to fit into any type of robots. And so we also have the highest tolerance in the market. So this device is all agnostic to all the batteries, which means that we can charge lead-acid batteries. We can also charge lithium batteries or any other type of batteries. So from the design, actually, we make it very cheap. Also, we work with Infineon to make it even cheaper. So the most important thing is that it is safe. It is certified by TUSU, and we have this. We pass our this CE certification. So this is how the entire product looks like. So basically, we have the very wide L gap at this moment. Probably is the highest in the market for this size. So from the left side, you guys can see is the transmitter, and we can transfer the energy through the L gap. Now the L gap can be up to 80 mm, and the energy we're transferring for this module is 3,000 kilowatts. So it's basically 3,000 watts, sorry. So basically it's equivalent that you are charging 200 phones at the same time. At the same moment, actually, if you need a higher power, we can stack them up to three modules, which will give you about 9,000 watts. So for this technology, actually can be applied to a variety of applications. What I want to highlight is the left top corner. So this one is a project that we have done with Charge and Changi General Hospital. So you can see our charging, the black box over there is our charging station. So basically, it can charge all types of robots. So it's truly universal charging. So by doing this, actually the entire fleet can be charged by the same charger, which will save a lot of chargers. Because in the past, all the robots they will come with their own charger. So this will generate a lot of waste. But by doing that, actually you only need one charger that can charge all the robots. So for the second one, actually, I want to highlight is we also successfully work with SCDF to retrofit their red Renault. So this project has already been running for about 2 years. So for other applications, like the forklift, so we have deployed chargers with the forklifts and also the service robots. So at this moment, now actually we have already deployed for 60 type of robots, over 40 different applications in more than 15 countries. Yeah, so this is all are all our customers in the screen. So these are some of our exposures in the medium, including in 2021, we've been mentioned by Deputy Minister in the Singapore budget speech, and also we've been highlighted in CNA and airports interview as well. Okay, so the next big thing actually is EV. We believe that EV should be charged wirelessly because we really want to bring the convenience to all the EV drivers. So for the EV platform now we are building is 22 kilowatts for 800 volt platform. And the L gap and tolerance will be up to 300 mm, which is enough for all the type of passenger cars, including SUV. So we also have a very high efficiency, which is more than 90% from AC to the battery. And more importantly, it's a bidirectional. It has a bidirectional features. So it means that instead of only we charge the EV also can also can pump the energy back to the grid to support, let's say, for the emergency or the energy market. So in our roadmap, actually, we are looking at not only the static contactless charging. For this static contactless charging, we are looking for more than 50 kilowatts in the future. So this can be applied for passenger cars or commercial vehicles or even trucks. So if, for example, for this 50 kilowatt for passenger cars, you can actually have a full charge within probably about 1.6 hours. And besides the static contact charger, we are also looking at the dynamic contact charge in the future. So you can just embed the device on the road, and when you are driving, actually you are also topping up your energy. So at this moment, we have already launched our products for robots and forklifts. Now we are working on cars, but we really believe that the era for electrification for the mobility just begin. So there are a lot of other opportunities. So including drones, e-scooters, and even the marine vessels. So yeah, we really believe that this will be the future, and wireless charging will be the only way to charge all the mobilities. Okay, thank you guys.